Mobbing through the city in an all-black trench. Fuck niggas looking at me through the fence. Cops on my phone trying to keep me on my zone. Gotta slow this shit down for this shit to make sense. Can't trust none of you niggas. I'm feeling paranoid. It could be like any one of you snitching. But if anybody asks, I was never around. I think it's time a nigga shot out of town. Okay, let's talk. I bought a Greyhound ticket on the one-way. Should've never showed them niggas where the guns stay. I regret I let you niggas in on my business. Cause now he in the jam, telling names like he taking attendance. I got a branch with my hoodie on. I do it death row style. Niggas better keep a low profile. Snakes on the pavement. Verse 48, and man, these niggas already giving statements.
Be to yourself. Stay to yourself. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. You know what I mean? Straight up. My closest friends did me in. My closest friends, my homies, people who I done took care of their whole family. I done took care of everything for them, looked out for them, put them in the game, everything. Turned on. Fear is stronger than love. Remember that. Fear is stronger than love. All the love I gave took me nothing, became fear. So it's all good. But I'm a soldier, I always fight. I'll constantly come back. You know what I mean? Only thing that can kill me is death. It's the only thing that ever stop me is death. And even then, my music is in the past.
Real fuckers in my crib at 6 in the morning. Bust down the door, then came in without a warning. Cooped in the mix, handcuffs on my wrist. Gave me one phone call, so I had to dial 10. Timberland, these niggas, these all fakes. They telling on their brothers and building them up occasional. You gotta get me out, man, it's time to switch up the route. It's far too many niggas in prison running their mouth. I should've been aware of my surroundings. Here G up in the streets, but I hoe up in the county. Should've cut them off like road rage. Niggas say they love you, but somehow they wanna see you in the same cage. Never mind that. Too complex. You my nigga, but you don't know what a bond at. Real talk, niggas better hold their own ground. When it all goes down, ain't nobody left around.
Be to yourself. Stay to yourself. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. You know what I mean? Straight up. My closest friends did me in. My closest friends, my homies, people who I done took care of their whole family. I done took care of everything for them, looked out for them, put them in the game, everything. Turned on. Fear is stronger than love. Remember that. Fear is stronger than love. All the love I gave took me nothing, became fear. So it's all good. But I'm a soldier, I always fight. I'll constantly come back. You know what I mean? Only thing that can kill me is death. It's the only thing that ever stop me is death. And even then, my music is